Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to put table of contents in Microsoft Word. First, open your document in Microsoft Word where you want to add the table of contents. Next, ensure that you have used heading styles for the section titles you want to include in your table of contents. Highlight a section title, go to the Home tab, and choose a heading style. For titles, you can use heading 1, and for subtitles, use heading 2. Do this for all titles and subtitles of your document. Now, place your cursor where you want to insert the table of contents. This is usually at the beginning of your document. Go to the References tab at the top of the screen. In the Table of Contents group, click on the Table of Contents button. From the drop-down menu, choose a built-in Table of Contents style that you prefer. The Table of Contents will automatically generate based on your heading styles applied throughout your document. If you make any changes to your document and need to update the table of contents, here's what you're going to do. Simply click on the table of contents, then click on Update Table. You can choose to update the entire table or just the page numbers. Finally, review your document to ensure the table of contents is formatted and includes all the necessary sections, and you're done. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to Tech Tricks tutorials for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!